Hi and welcome to Case Club. Today we'll be reviewing our waterproof Phantom 4 wheeled case. It's designed to hold your DJI Phantom 4 and accessories. First, we'll go over the layout of the foam and then the features of the case. When your case arrives, you'll need to remove the foam plugs. The case can hold one Phantom 4 drone, including the Standard, Pro, Pro Plus, or Pro V2 with props on, a few sets of propellers, 5 extra batteries and one in the drone, one tablet up to 12 inches by 7 inches by half an inch, one remote, several SD cards, along with extra spots for accessories, 2 included silica gel canisters in the lid, The first feature you might notice are the relief cutouts in the lid. These cutouts are extremely important and are often skipped by other case companies. The reliefs ensure that the lid pressure is not put on the props, which would cause them to take a set over time. The motors are also delicate and will break under pressure. Most case companies fill the lid with uncut foam, which we would consider to be a mistake. Our case instead holds the drone down by the central body, ensuring the sensitive parts of the drone cannot be damaged. The drone can be stored with the props on or off, and if you choose to leave them on, the propellers fit nicely into these plastic posts. The posts don't put any pressure on the props, but ensure they remain lined up with the lid cutouts and don't accidentally get pinched when shutting the case. The lid also includes 2 cutouts where you can install our included reusable silica gel canisters to remove moisture in the case and protect your gear. The slots above and below them, which look like a star, act as channels and allow air to access them when the case is closed. Silica gel is an important part of any waterproof case, and we encourage you to watch our silica gel video to learn more. In the base, we've included 5 battery cutouts that can be converted to excess storage if you don't have that many batteries. We've also included circle cutouts in the lid over top of the batteries to ensure that the batteries don't turn on when the case is closed. Furthermore, the main drone cutout includes a battery relief, so a battery can be stored in the drone as well. Between the props on and the battery installed, this case is great for quick deployment. The case will fit all major tablets, including the iPad Air and iPad Mini. Just be sure to measure your tablet to confirm it fits within the max dimensions. The remote control cutout can hold the DJI Phantom 4, Phantom 4 Pro, Phantom 4 Pro Plus, or Phantom 4 Pro V2 remote. Small SD slots hold SD cards nicely, organized, and well protected. We have included more protection under the drone, knowing that the camera and the gimbal are the most delicate parts. We've included a soft convolute foam pad nestled below, which supports both the gimbal and the camera from moving around when in transit. If you choose to leave the gimbal guard in place, the foam will still fit it. 2 large accessory pockets located on the right side and bottom have removable plastic dividers for versatility. Leave in place to have your accessory pockets segmented or remove to free up a larger area. Unlike other foam, our foam is a closed-cell military-grade polyethylene, which is known for its ability to absorb shock, and it's closed cell so it won't absorb liquid and you can easily wipe it away. And the foam in the lid is a much softer convoluted polyurethane whose ridges help to secure everything in place. Around the perimeter of the lid is a gasket seal, which makes the case 100% waterproof. The lid overhangs the base to help protect the gasket seal. Under the latch, there's a built-in pressure relief valve, 2 twist lock latches with positive feedback, 2 padlockable holes for added security. In the back, there are 2 strong mechanical hinges, as well as feet so that the case can stand upright on its own. 2 handles that fold away when not in use, as well as an extension handle and wheels for easy transport. On the top, there are 4 raised edges, which make the case stackable if you have more than one. You can find this product and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.